The CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control, United States of America, has come up with 4 levels of biosafety. And this is a scale, as I was speaking a little bit earlier, to measure the level at which you are dealing with a biohazard. There are 4 primary levels, level 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, it goes from a low risk microbe to a high risk microbe. So let's just understand what BSL-1 is all about. BSL-1 are a scale which is given to an organism which is generally regarded as safe and not known to cause a disease to a healthy human and to the environment around. These are organisms like canine hepatitis or Escherichia coli, which are non-pathogenic in nature, and these are organisms which we have to deal with day on day out. When we talk about BSL-2, these have moderate or potential hazard to a person and the environment. It could have bacteria as well as viruses and can cause mild diseases. But BSL-2 organisms are those where there is a potential cure which is available. Examples here are hepatitis A, B, C, influenza A. These are all BSL-2 organisms. When we talk about BSL-3, they could be either indigenous or exotic microbes, and they can seriously cause a lethal disease with the primary route of exposure being respiratory. We've seen H1N1 flu, tuberculosis, SARS. These are examples which have been classified at BSL-3. And BSL-4 are dangerous and exotic, which pose a high risk of transmission through aerosol and cause fatality. And there are no known treatments or vaccines. Even for BSL-3, there is not a necessary route of treatment or vaccination in some cases, like we have in SARS. But since the characterization is known and the respiratory route of transmission can be controlled, it gets classified as BSL-3. So as you can see, the microorganisms or the biohazards get classified into these 4 levels. Whereas coronavirus is a question I get asked a lot of times. I do not have an answer to that because the scientists have not yet been able to classify it. And in my own wisdom, if I don't know about a hazard, I would straight away put it in BSL-4 or at the most bring it down to BSL-3. I would never put it in BSL-2 or BSL-1.